Good day. Would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Happy Galicia Durango, 28 years of age, single from Philippines.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
We are 6 siblings. I have 2 brothers, 2 sisters, and 1 younger sister.
And what is your highest educational attainment?
I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in biology. I've been a volunteer teacher for almost 2 years. I can speak and understand English and I can tutor kids.
Okay, so do you have an experience working as a domestic helper
Yes,
before?
sir.
Is it in the Philippines or overseas?
Philippines and overseas.
So how long or you work as a domestic helper in the Philippines and in Hong Kong?
I had 2 years of experience here in Philippines as a nanny to a 3-year-old child, and I had 1 year of experience in Hong Kong taking care of an old man.
Okay, so in the Philippines, what is your reason for leaving?
Finished contract.
How about in Hong Kong?
My father died, so they give me 2 weeks of holiday here in the Philippines. After 1 week, the secretary messaged me no need to come back for work because they are trying to find new helper.
So basically, you're saying is, when your father died, you visited the Philippines for the funeral, and
Yes.
when you're here in the Philippines, your employer found another helper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are your daily routine works inside the house?
So my daily routine inside the house is that every morning I wake up very early. I tidy up my room and take a bath, and after that I go to the kitchen to prepare food, and also the kitchen. The baby is wake up, so I go to the room of the baby and clean the baby, change the diaper, and sometimes I teach nursery rhymes.
Okay, how about in Hong Kong?
I focus on the old man. He is 76 years old. I prepare his medicines and the insulins and clean his newspaper, study room, toilet, and bed.
So in Hong Kong, you have experience taking care of elderly.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elderly?
76.
76 years
Yes,
old.
sir.
Okay. How many children does your employer have?
They have 3 children.
In Philippines?
One only. He is 3-year-old.
Okay. How did you take care of the children?
So sometimes I teach him nursery rhymes, and when he wake up, I prepare food for him and change his clothes and wash his clothes.
Okay. So do you prepare any song for your future employer's children
Yes.
in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Go ahead, please.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you for that. Are you willing to do overtime job if
Yes,
requested?
sir.
Are you willing to work with other helper in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
What if your employer cannot give you a Saturday or a Sunday holiday? Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir. It's fine with me.
Okay, so how many years you can work in Hong Kong?
2 or more years, sir, as long as the employer needs me.
Okay, so can you tell something about yourself to your future employer in Hong Kong?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me because I am a fast learner, hardworking, self-motivated, and I promise that I will do my very best to do my duties with love and honesty. Thank you.
Can you show us your smile, please? Thank you for coming.